guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm for this month. I know I skipped last month and that's because I put the video together and it just wasn't working out, and then I had other things going on, so we did not get to November's Boxycharm, but I did not like last month's Boxycharm, just so you know. But this one seems to be a little bit better. I'm liking it a little bit more. If you are new to Boxycharm, it is a beauty, hair care, makeup subscription box. I will leave my referral link and my referral code down below. All I get is charm points if you sign up through that link, so it does help me with just some freebies and stuff here and there if you are interested in it. Now let's get into this month's theme, and it is 'Tis the Season. So let's go ahead and start with my choice for the month, and that is this LYS Beauty Triple Fix Brightening Concealer. I have heard so much about this, so when I saw that it was an option, I decided to pick it up. It was between this and the Dominique Cosmetics little eyeshadow palette. I had my eye on this for a while, so I picked this up. But it is a luxurious, let me read that again, a luxuriously rich, ultra creamy concealer that helps visibly brighten, conceal, and nourish the skin with undetectable coverage and a skin-like finish. And it retails for $18. So far, I am liking it. I think it's really beautiful. I think it's really creamy. Today is my first impression, so I don't know. I don't really have full thoughts on it yet, but upon application, I liked it. I really did. And I'm looking forward to using it. And then we've got the Goldfaden MD Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. Dr. Goldfaden's multifaceted hydrating moisturizer delivers a brightening glow to all skin types, brightens overall skin tone, hydrates and nourishes skin complexion, and provides powerful antioxidant nourishment, and it retails for $75. Upon application, I liked it. It reminded me of something that brings me back to my childhood, the scent of it, and I couldn't figure out what it was. So something there, I remember, brought me back to, I think, my grandma's house when I was a kid. I don't know. It was one of those things that just, it brought me back there, and I can't quite figure out which memory, but it smells good. It's nice and thick, which I love a good thick moisturizer. I will put this in just with my daily moisturizers for before makeup application. I can use it for nighttime too, but I think I like it as a good moisturizing base for the morning. My problem with this is it retails for $75, which I know good skincare costs money. I feel like Boxycharm puts skincare items in here to get the value of the box up, and I believe it's $125 retail value, promised value, and the overall cost is now $32.99 per month, I believe, and that's after tax and shipping. So I feel like this could have been in there to get the value of the box up. That being said, I think I'm really going to like this moisturizer. It feels like my skin runs more normal to dry, and this is very hydrating, and I feel like it'll give my makeup my skin a very good skin prep before makeup application, so I can see myself really liking. And this next item, it's a mascara. It's the Lawless Beauty, the One and Done Longwear Volumizing Mascara, which I like in mascaras in Boxycharm. I just like them to be a little bit more few and far between. I feel like I've gotten quite a few this year, but it's the one truly clean mascara that does it all. Volumizes, defines, lengthens, lifts, and wears all day while promoting naturally thick lash growth. This mascara uses the lighter weight, lacquer-free, and rice bran waxes to keep lashes lifted, while castor and argan oils promote lash length. It also comes with an elastomer brush that gently grips and combs through the lashes for an instant volume and elongation, while the spherical tip offers a lash styling and separation, and it retails for $25. I was taken aback by how separating my lashes look just by applying this. I didn't do anything else to my lashes before applying this mascara, and I noticed a big, like, just instant lift, instant separation. I feel like I'm really gonna like it. I like wands that are like this, that are a little more harder and not as bristly. And I see myself really liking this mascara. Sometimes my Boxycharm mascaras are not my favorite, and I usually end up decluttering those, but I feel like this, and I've gotten a couple of mascaras that I really did like. So this, I feel like, is probably going to be one of those mascaras that I do end up liking. And I'm glad that I got something from Lawless Beauty, because I haven't tried it before and it's been on my radar to try. And then we've got the IBY Beauty Lip Locked Satin Lipstick. Give your lips a satin finish. This creamy, long-lasting satin lipstick glides on smooth with a vibrant color payoff. The non-drying formula stays put all day, formulated with moisturizing shea butter for soft, kissable lips and hydrating antioxidant vitamin E for younger-looking lips, and it retails for $18. I love a creamy lipstick. I love a effortless feeling lipstick. And, oops, I held it upside down. Anyway, I love, like, I feel like I'm really going to love this. And I was looking at it, I think this, let me go grab it real quick. Upon applying this, this really reminds me of the shade Tawny from the Becca lipsticks. And Becca is no longer a business. But this is like one of my favorite lipsticks in my whole collection. I was trying to do a swatch comparison. Let's see if it'll focus. But the top is the Becca lipstick and the bottom is the IBY Beauty. And the tones are very similar. There's just a slight shift. I feel like the IBY Beauty runs a little bit more orange, while this runs a little bit more brown. But I feel like once I empty out this would be a good alternative for it. The formula feels very similar, at least for my first impressions. I haven't done the wear test yet, but the formula and the application feels very similar. So I think I'm going to really, really like this. And let's see, did I say the retail value? It retails for $18. So a normal like a normal price range for something like that. And the last item I got is the Pink Lips Cosmetics Flawless Sponge Set. This multifunctional blending sponge set used for applying primer, foundation, concealer, cream blush, or setting powder. Use damp to ensure flawless luminous application, or dry for a full coverage application, and it retails for $18. I use it dry because I usually will spray my face and then the sponge, but sometimes I'll switch it up. And upon using, I just used the one sponge, but the consistency is the same. The shape's just slightly different, but I used this one for, I used the lighter pink one for both concealer and foundation, and I liked it. I wouldn't say I loved it. It's a little bit more stiff, and I like my sponges to be a little bit more, not fluffy, but a little more squishy and not as stiff, if you know what I mean. But I see it. I see myself liking it. I wouldn't say it's anything special, but I'm never mad at getting sponges in Boxycharm because I always need them and I don't like going out to buy them. So that is everything I got in my box. Overall, I feel like this box is better than the last couple of months have been. I was a little underwhelmed when I first opened it, but upon applying the products, I think I'm really going to like them, and I like this box. I think it's a good box. I think that for a couple months there, I kind of had a couple of boxes that were not my favorite. And now I feel like the hype is picking back up again. We're getting some good stuff in the boxes, and I am truly excited for this box. I think it's a good box. So again, use my referral link in my code down below if you do want to get on with Boxycharm. I mean, you don't have to. It just helps me get some charm points to use on other items, but I like it. I know they've got a lot of sales going on by this point. If you're looking for Christmas gifts, I don't see them coming in time for Christmas unless for some reason you're doing Christmas a little bit later. But yeah, it's a fun box. I've had it for going on 3 years now. So this will be, I've had it for a full 2 years. I started January of 2020, so 2 years. And I enjoy every time I get the box. But anyway, if you are new here, my name is Machaela. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. And my goal on this platform is to share my love for Christ as my Lord and Savior, as well as my passion for beauty. And the two just big passions in my life. Of course, Christ is always my number one. Beauty is just my favorite hobby. And if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you. And hit that subscribe button. I will also have my Instagram handle linked down below if you're wanting more content, more stuff, more conversation. Anyway, that will be listed and linked in the description box. So with that, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.